Hi, we are Team T-Mobile, and that is why we're going to compare T-Mobile services to those of Sprint. Well, we're going to share with you the services that T-Mobile has that Sprint doesn't. And comparing these two cell phone companies is like comparing two racing cars because they are very similar. But we're going to give you the top services that T-Mobile offers that Sprint doesn't. For starters, they have data stash, which is how they call it, and it means that monthly your data, for example, you have 3 GB. If you don't use them for, I don't know, for internet or something, for next month they accumulate. So if you only used 1 GB, you have 2 left, which goes to your next month, which is 5 GB for the whole month, which is great because sometimes you don't use them. Also, they have unlimited music and video streaming, which means that if you like to Netflix watch or listen to Spotify or Hulu or HBO or anything, you can do it for free. Like, they don't charge you anything, which means that you get more gigabytes to save for your data stash. Also, they have amazing value for travelers. For example, you have for international travelers, they give you unlimited texting and cell phone service in over 140 countries, and the unlimited data for browsing the network and unlimited music and video streaming. You can do that in Mexico, the United States, and Canada, which it's for example, although we live in the border, I mean, we can have a plan on T-Mobile, and then we can come here and we can use it because it's for free, like it's part of the plan. Then for domestic travelers, also they have promotions. Well, not promotions. It's part of the plan that you can be in the plane and you can be texting and you can make calls by Wi-Fi, which is also great. And finally, they have something called T-Mobile Tuesdays, which means that every Tuesday you get into the T-Mobile app and you can see their special promotions that they offer for you aside cell phone services. For example, on restaurants, on movie tickets, on movie snacks, and also on Lyft service, which is like Uber but different. I mean, that's it. That's how you that's the information that you need to know that T-Mobile is way better than Sprint, because Sprint, all of these 5 things that I mentioned, Sprint doesn't have it. And I mean, you will go for the best option, which is in this case T-Mobile. Thank you.
Let's talk about innovations. Innovations with T-Mobile are pretty simple. They're more reliable than the other ones. Example, this plan he's offering us is basically $10 a month. It's like an insurance. If you drop your phone, if you break your phone, if you don't want your phone anymore, you can get another one, or you can get the same one, but new one actually. You can change it for another model, for another style if you like it, but for the same price. You don't have to pay nothing else. You're already paying the $10 a month. That's one of the innovations it has. Practically, this program called Jump, not a program, it's more like a system, or more like a new way, like a new contract, is called Jump. That's the innovation of all of it. Basically, the hint to other people is that for $10 a month, if you break your phone, you get to get another one exactly the same, or totally another one, not paying nothing else or nothing more than your $10 a month. That's what the main idea of innovation it is for T-Mobile in this video.
Our clients are the most important. We don't have restriction ourselves to an issue.